If you are working on YouTube and still your channel is not monetized yet, but your objective is to earn money from YouTube, yes, it is possible to earn money from YouTube even when your channel is not monetized. In today's video, I am going to discuss with you one method from where there are other methods as well, but in today's video, I am going to share with you only one method, how you can earn money even without monetization. So watch this video till the end, you will understand how you will do it. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends. May Allah Almighty bless you, all of you, where you are in the world and you are safe and secure. Ameen, summa ameen. Ramzan Mubarak to all of you. Remember me in your prayers all time. In today's video, the topic for discussion is how you can earn money from YouTube even your channel is not monetized yet. If you are new on YouTube, so try to understand for monetization, you have to complete 1000 subscriber and 4000 watch hours in your last 365 days. Then you can able to earn money from YouTube after monetization. In today's video, I am going to discuss with you that how you will earn money from YouTube even your channel is not monetized yet. Remember, this video is very special for students. There are a lot of people in the world which are working on this method and they are earning money from YouTube even their channel are not monetized yet. Some of my friends also working on YouTube and using this method, and their earning is start from their first video when they upload their first video. So if you want to understand how it is possible, so watch this video till the end. Before going to start the video, if you are new here, so a warm welcome on my YouTube channel EarningTips for you. Here I upload videos related to YouTube, but from now to onward I will move some other very interesting topics as well. So don't forget to subscribe my channel with bell icon so that you will receive the latest video notification first of all. And if you are returning subscriber, so I'm very thankful for all of you to coming here and take some time for watching this video. Again, this video will be very useful and informative for you. Friends, here I am showing you YouTube, and if I type basic mathematics, so here you can see lot of videos are showing in YouTube search, and you can also search basic physics, basic computer, basic bio, basic English, and any other subject in which you are professional, you have strong grip on the particular one subject. So what will you do? First of all, try to watch some videos related to some basic topics of any subject in which you are expert. Number of views does not matter. Here you can see these videos have million views, but our concern is not related to views because we are not earning from monetization, Google AdSense. I am going to discuss with you another method that how you will earn without monetization. So first of all, try to watch these videos and understand and make some videos, a detailed course. Your course will compile from 20 to 40 videos in which you discuss some basic information and then some advanced information related to the subject in which you are expert. Then you will do proper SEO of your videos. How you will do SEO of your videos, inshallah, my next video which I will upload on my channel, I will discuss how to rank your videos and how you will do SEO, so your problem will solve. You do proper SEO of your videos, proper thumbnail, title, tag, description, and make videos from 20 to 40 videos, a complete course of the subject, and you start uploading on your channel. That how you will do it, how you will earn money, that's main topic. So friends, now try to understand two different phenomena which you will apply in your every video. First, never compromise on the quality of your videos. Your videos must be concise, full of information and unique information, and never repeat the same topic in your videos again and again and again. That's first thing. Second thing that you will do in your every video, how you will attract your customer. When your videos are highly professional, so then there is high chance that you will find out your customer. How you will find your customer? Understand this thing. In your every video you will provide your some information like your personal, first of all try to understand, use your business WhatsApp, never use your normal WhatsApp. You can use your business WhatsApp and write the link in the description of your video. You can use Facebook and give the link description in your video, and you can also use Instagram and give the link in the description of your videos. And also all these three links are available on the screen as well when you speak in the videos. In your every video, when your video will start, and in the beginning you ask your subscriber or viewers that if you are interested to take personal tuition from my side, so I am here, I will guide you, and you can contact me by using these social media links which are available in the description of my videos. You will do this thing in your every video. Okay, so when you will do it, definitely you will find some customer. There are two types of customer. One customer is local customer or normal customer. It means they belong to your own country. And some customer are cream customer. Cream customer mean customer from some other country like from US, UK, Canada and other European countries as well. So if you find your cream customer in the beginning, definitely in your first video, maybe you will find some cream customer, but later on definitely you will find some cream customer. In your beginning, in your first videos, definitely you will find your local or normal customer. By your local or normal customer, you cannot earn money as much as you can earn money from your cream customer. So friends, in this way you will able to find out your customers. Use this method in your every video. Next thing, that how you can earn money more from using this method. You can earn more money while when you will find your cream customer, because cream customer pay you more money as compared to your local customer. The next question will come, that what are the different tools that you will use for teaching your students. You can use your Skype, you can use Zoom, and you can use Microsoft Team as well. There are some other tools as well. You can search them and you can use according to the convenience of your students. So that's all about in today's video. Hope so you understand. If you have any question related to this video, you can ask me on my WhatsApp available in the description of this video and also written here. And if you have any other question related to YouTube, you can also discuss with me. So that's all about in today's video. Inshallah, see you soon in some next interesting video. Take care. Allah Hafiz.